Welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services mains exam. Question number 7 is why is it necessary to cool IC engines? What are the disadvantages of overcooling an IC engine? So cooling an internal combustion IC engine is essential to prevent overheating, which can cause component damage, material failure, and reduced engine performance. The cooling system removes excess heat generated during combustion, maintaining engine within its optimal operating temperature for efficient fuel evaporation, better lubrication, and a longer lifespan. Without cooling, the extreme temperature would cause parts to wrap, seize, and eventually fail, leading to significant mechanical damage and shorter engine life. So now overcooling. Overcooling in an internal combustion engine is avoided because it reduces fuel efficiency, leads to incomplete combustion, causes increased wear and tear due to thicker oil and acid formation, results in higher toxic emissions and can lead to a reduced maximum RPM. Maintaining optimal operating temperature ensures that engine components receive proper lubrication, combustion is efficient, and engine operates smoothly and lasts longer. Now key reasons to avoid overcooling. First is reduced fuel efficiency. Overcooling an engine makes it less efficient because the heat that should be converted into work is instead dissipated. Next is incomplete combustion and emissions. Low temperature lead to incomplete fuel burn, resulting in carbon deposits and higher emissions of toxic exhaust components. Third is lubrication issue. At low temperature, engine oil becomes thicker, reducing its ability to properly lubricate moving parts. This increases friction and wear on components like piston and cylinder walls. Next is corrosion. Fuel combustion byproducts such as sulfur compounds can form corrosive acids, sulfurous and sulfuric acid at low temperatures. The condensation of these acids at low temperatures can attack and damage cylinder valves. Next is component wear and reduced engine life. The combination of poor lubrication and acid corrosion can accelerate the wear of engine parts, shortening overall life of the engine. Next is engine performance. Overcooling can negatively impact engine power and performance by causing condensation and less pressure from gas expansion. It can also cause an engine to run rough. We have to maintain optimal temperature for proper cooling. So for maintaining optimal temperature, a thermostat is a crucial for controlling coolant temperature. It restricts water circulation when the engine is cold, allowing it to reach its optimal operating temperature more quickly. Antifreeze is essential not only to prevent freezing but also to provide corrosion inhibitor for engine. So cooling is required but overcooling is not required, and for this thermostat and antifreeze are used.